Toyota just dropped a new trim on their full-size beast, the 2027 Sequoia, and it's called the Trailhunter. Toyota knows exactly what Overlanders want. They started with the Tacoma, moved to the 4Runner and Tundra, and now they're bringing the Trailhunter treatment to the biggest member of the family, the Sequoia. This thing is built for serious off-grid adventures straight from the factory. So what's new with the Sequoia Trailhunter? You get old Man Emu shocks at all four corners for that extra ground clearance and capability. Aggressive 18-inch bronze-finished wheels wrapped in Michelin LTX Trail tires. I have to say, the tires are the only small miss here. They're all-season instead of proper all-terrain. Most serious off-roaders will probably swap them right away, but the rest of the package is solid. On top of that, you already have Toyota's excellent multi-terrain select modes, crawl control, and a locking rear differential. Add in the fresh underbody protection plates and recovery hooks, and you've got a factory-ready overlanding machine. The Trailhunter package is offered on the SR5 grade, which is great because it keeps the price more accessible. Production starts this fall, and we're still waiting on official pricing. Look, the full-size SUV game is changing. People don't just want luxury and space anymore. They want a vehicle that can actually go out and explore without needing a full aftermarket build. Toyota is delivering exactly that with the Sequoia Trailhunter. What do you think, guys? Would you go for a full-size Trailhunter like this, or do you prefer something smaller and more agile? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one. Drive safe and keep exploring.